Bob FM.
Lying on the couch, the moment I could see it, yes, yes. I can see.
Welcome back. We're here with a very innovative young lady, Tina May, and her lovely photographer, Knock. Did that? It's NGOC. See, I feel so proud that I knew how to spell that. Well, Rebel Girls is really a fashion industry of the future because you're all online.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell everybody what they can find there.
Well, rebelgirls.com is an online retailer specializing in subculture fashion. We offer pinup, punk, rockabilly, goth style fashion, shoes, and accessories.
All kinds of, and you have some cute shoes on yourself.
Oh, thank you.
I don't know if they can see your cute feet
These
there.
were from our Betty Page line.
Yeah, aren't they darling?
Oh, thank you.
Polka dots. Oh, you would look lovely in those red ones.
Look at that. You want to trade? Can I borrow them? All right. We'll get after it.
And what you have on is from your collection.
It is, yes. This is one of my custom apron dresses I made. I actually made this one for a apron dress contest put on by Mary Adams, which is my favorite designer. She actually inspired me to start sewing. Sewing dresses, actually. But, and it won.
Yay! Congratulations!
Thank you.
You're so good.
Thank
That's
you.
wonderful. Now, we have three lovely ladies here also wearing some of your designs. Will you tell people about who they are and what they're wearing?
Well, I am lucky enough to have three beautiful ladies today here from the Painted Dolls, which is a local modeling promotional group. They help promote local businesses.
Yay!
And I have Ziggy here, and she is modeling my rivet belted dress. Now, these are all from my custom line that I've made myself.
You're just amazing. Oh my
You actually
goodness.
get up in there and sew it and everything?
Yes.
I don't know how to do that. That's ridiculous. That is
There are
ridiculous.
actually really people that do this.
Really?
I know it. I've
It's a lot
done the
of
same
fun.
way. You are good. Holy
Thank you.
cow.
Thank you so much.
And her shoes are something you can get on your line as well?
Yes, they are. These are actually our pearlized glitter pumps in silver. We offer them in blue, red, purple, but they are the pearlized glitter pumps.
They're darling.
Thank you. And those are on the site for $49.99.
That's a bargain.
It is.
Yeah, they're
It is
great.
a bargain.
And then she's also wearing our gun heart necklace. That's by Rock Rebel. Along with the studded bangle bracelets, and that goes really, really cute with that rivet belted dress.
That is just darling.
Thank you.
Now, if you go on the site, will it suggest things? So if I didn't know, you could say, look, you can put this necklace with it or this. Yeah.
Yes, I do have. You may also like products at the bottom.
Yeah.
So
I like those things because
Yeah.
that helps.
Yeah.
Those of us who are fashion impaired. So. And who's next?
we have Vicki Vicious, and she is modeling our Sparrow Wiggle dress. This is actually one of my favorites. It features the little sparrow patches on the top of the halter. As you can tell, it has a halter tie top. The red pinup piping with knot bow detail. The bodice is lined. All of these are actually made of black stretch poplin. It's a really, really comfortable, wearable material.
Right. And good for all sizes, I mean, I can say, because a nice little stretch just
Right.
goes an awful long
Right.
way. Well, not for you, you're teeny tiny, but for some of the rest of us who
And
never
it's-
know how much they'll eat for lunch. You know? It's nice to have something that stretches out. So.
And she has on the red Mary Jane pumps. And we do offer these in various colors as well. But these go just great with the dress, with the red piping and the knot bow detail. And she actually also has on a really adorable necklace that I just got in. It's the Cherry Star necklace. This is by Rock Rebel. And that retails on the website for $16. That's a new
Oh, that's
product.
what a deal.
It's good stuff.
It's great. It's a great accessory. It really, pops.
It's
And-
cute as can be.
And Betty Rocker. Betty Rocker is our last model, and she has on the Lolita dress. This is great. It's got the corseted front detail, pink piping, and then pink ruffles at the top and along the trim on the bottom. It's really detailed. It's lined as well. One thing I actually forgot to mention, if we can go back to Ziggy,
Yes.
on the rivet belted dress, that actually has a built-in silver slip lining with a ruffle trim detail. So that's not a petticoat or anything. That's actually built into the dress.
Oh my
So,
goodness.
Yes, I like to do that
How
from
cool.
time to time.
That's great.
But yes, okay, so sorry to be all over the place. I forgot
we
to point
like
that
all
out.
over the place. Come, you know.
But
That's
Betty,
our hallmark.
Betty Rocker is also wearing our heart locket necklace paired with a matching bracelet. These are both by Rock Rebel. And then she has on the beautiful satin pink bow tie pumps, which match perfectly with the Lolita dress.
No kidding. Those are just darling. Oh my goodness.
And these are actually from our pinup couture line. Ziggy's are from the Bordello line. So
Very cute. So tell everybody again where you are. It's Rebel Girls with a Z.
it is with a Z. So we
There.
need to get that right. It's rebelgirlswithaz.com. You can also, of course, follow us on Facebook, Twitter. And then if you want to follow me personally as the designer, you can follow me, Tina May Rebel, on Twitter. And I'll put little sneak peeks of production and what I'm up to.
And I've been on your site, and it's really a great site. It's friendly, and there are all kinds of great things. I mean, just amazing
Thank you.
stuff on there
We
for
have fun
everybody.
with it, and I'm
Oh.
always trying to expand and do
Yeah,
new
it is
things
so
and add
fun.
new products. So
Well, as you get new products, will you come back?
absolutely, I'd love
Oh,
to.
this is fun.
It is.
This is great. And all of those great pictures online, if you're wondering, Knock took those pictures and put them
Knox
online.
did, yes.
She's
Knox
good.
is my assistant and photographer. She joined us in 2007 to kind of help with the creative aspect of the business. China doll photography. She's just, yeah, it's just amazing.
I love your hat.
She's obsessed with those hats.
Yeah.
She has a collection.
I
Bring it
like
back,
it.
baby.
I
That's
like
great.
it.
There you go.
I am retro, so. Oh, Tina, thanks so much for being
Well, thank
here.
you
This
so
is
much for having
wonderful.
us.
This
It's
is
a good
very
time.
fun.
It's fun.
Well, we have to have another time when you'll come back. You'll come back and wear other stuff. Yay! Well, this is great. I love it. Rebel Girls. That's with a Z.com. They have all kinds of wonderful, wonderful things. Well, we have a whole lot more going on Oklahoma Live. You know, we are going in and we're going to be baking some sweet potato fries.
That's right.